Welcome to Knowledge Hub. Today, let's delve into an important topic as recognizing the 16 signs of high blood sugar in our body and symptoms of diabetes. It's crucial to be aware of these indicators as they can signify underlying health issues that require attention. So let's dive in and explore the key signs to watch out for. 1. Excessive urination, urinating during the night. Waking up frequently to urinate, especially at night, could indicate high blood sugar levels. While drinking lots of water before bed can lead to nighttime urination, persistent excessive urination might signal a urinary tract infection, often linked to elevated blood sugar levels. 2. Blurred vision. Temporary blurred vision can be a sign of high blood sugar affecting the lenses in the eyes. It's essential not to overlook this symptom, as it could indicate underlying health concerns. 3. Difficulty concentrating. Lack of insulin prevents glucose from entering cells, leading to fatigue and difficulty concentrating. If you find yourself struggling to focus, it might be a result of high blood sugar levels affecting your body's functionality. Number 4. Dry mouth. High glucose levels in the blood and saliva can result in a dry mouth. This symptom is often overlooked, but can be a sign of elevated blood sugar levels. 5. Impotence, men. Poor long-term blood sugar control can damage nerves and blood vessels, leading to impotence in men. It's crucial to address this symptom promptly and seek medical advice if necessary. 6. Recurrent infections. High blood sugar weakens the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to infections. Monitoring for frequent infections and seeking medical attention is essential to manage blood sugar levels effectively. 7. Slow healing wounds. Delayed wound healing, particularly for minor cuts and bruises, could indicate poor blood circulation due to high blood sugar levels. Prompt attention to wounds is necessary to prevent complications. 8. Stomach problems. High blood sugar levels can delay stomach emptying, leading to digestive issues such as bloating, abdominal pain, and nausea. Monitoring and managing blood sugar levels can help alleviate these symptoms. 9. Constant fatigue or extreme tiredness. Persistent fatigue may result from low thyroid levels or the body's increased energy expenditure to combat infections associated with high blood sugar levels. 10. Thirst. Excessive thirst is a common symptom of high blood sugar levels, as the kidneys work overtime to filter and absorb excess sugar from the bloodstream. 11. Dry and itchy skin. Poor blood circulation can cause dry, itchy skin, particularly in the lower extremities. Maintaining proper hydration and managing blood sugar levels can help alleviate this symptom. 12. Always hungry. An insatiable appetite, especially shortly after meals, may indicate high blood sugar levels, affecting hormone regulation related to hunger. 13. Excess abdominal weight/fat. Unexplained weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, can be a sign of high blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. 14. Nerve problems. High blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to nerves, resulting in nerve problems and symptoms such as tingling and numbness. 15. Skin changes. Discoloration and growths on the skin, along with dark, thick patches on the neck and hands, may indicate elevated blood sugar levels and underlying health issues. 16. Tingling and numbness. Nerve damage associated with high blood sugar levels can manifest as tingling and numbness in various parts of the body, a condition known as neuropathy. Symptoms of diabetes. Now let's explore common symptoms of diabetes, which include 1. Fatigue and hunger. 2. Frequent urination. 3. Weight loss. 4. Dry mouth. 5. Blurred vision. 6. Slow healing wounds. 7. Tingling in the hands and feet. 8. Dark patches of skin. Recognizing the signs of high blood sugar and symptoms of diabetes is crucial for maintaining good health. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and management. Remember, early detection and intervention can significantly improve outcomes and quality of life. We hope this information has been valuable to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And as always, take care of yourself and stay informed.